Hey guys, and welcome back. See, I'm going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use white by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White, blue by Everglaze called Current Crush, pink by Creative Play called Berry Shocking, and mint green by LA Colors called Sea Life. Bunch of colors that I'm ready to use. So on a sandwich bag, I'm going to paint the white base. And what this kind of design is I guess it's kind of like an ombre fan brush look. It's really easy and simple to do. You can use any color combos you want, but I'm really into crazy colors right now, so I'm doing all these crazy colors. Now try not to overdo it. You want to be able to see the difference in the colors. Then using my large nail stamp, I'm going to pick up the design. And then I already painted my nails with white polish. And I'm just going to apply the stamper onto my nails. I have to say I love how this came out. And I was going to leave it on its own. I have to say I was going to leave it on its own. But I decided to add my Buitee Collection's '06 nail plate stamp design on it. So I'm applying black polish onto this. I don't know if it's tribal or I don't know what the design is, but it's really cute. And I thought adding it onto it just gave it a nice look. Now you can leave it on its own, or you can be like me and add any nail stamp design you want. And as you can see, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I have to say this is a really easy, one of the most easy smushy designs to do. I hope I made it easy too. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.